there needs to be in the Christian a recognition of the importance of God's people. That God saved you, yes, as an individual, but He saved you to be part of a group, of a community um, that isn't restricted just to Sundays, but it's not less than that either. The idea that, oh, I can worship God just as easily on my fishing boat on Sundays rather than in the congregation of the Lord, that's actually just not true. There is something special when God's people gather together on the Lord's day to participate in the means of grace and hear the preaching and receive these things. There is a unique way in which God, by His Spirit, is present with His people and using all these things to conform them to Christ. Throughout the week, that influence should still be felt. I'm a strong believer in seeing, meeting with your brothers and sisters throughout the week, not just at organized meetings, but, hey, let's grab a cup of coffee, or hey, let's have you over for dinner, and this time of fellowship and natural friendship and community building, just spending time together, edifying one another, and truly getting to know one another and encouraging one another to love and obey the Lord. It's a wonderful thing when God's people get together without being organized to get together and to say, hey, what are you reading? What's God been teaching you in His Word? What are you struggling with? How can I be praying for you? Having this mentality of we are truly uh, in a body as a body. We're to be together and to serve one another, to love one another, to encourage one another, to love and good works. And all this should be happening on Sunday, but also throughout the rest of the week. We need that constant encouragement. It's such a joy when I get a text from a brother, hey, I was praying for you this morning. Or, excuse me. Such an encouragement to get a text from a brother saying, hey, I was praying for you this morning, or hey, let's get together for coffee and just chat. These are great things to encourage God's people, especially as you go throughout the week and the world can just beat you down. Even just normal routines, not even necessarily any particular attack against you personally, but just the wear on you of the normal routine of life, that you need that encouragement, that exhortation, that refreshment from company with your other brothers and sisters throughout the week, not just on Sunday mornings.